All my stars, I am smitten with this brand new style by Raquel Welch. I cannot wait to get into this with you because I'm going to get out there and start wearing it. Today we're going to talk about the new Raquel Welch's Posh Premier in Shaded Biscuit. WIGSTUDIO1 sent this one to me so I can review it for you before you decide to purchase. You can find it right here at WIGSTUDIO1. If you drop below the video, expand the description box, there'll be a direct product link. If you click on the link, it'll take you right out to the site. You can explore the colors, the pricing. If you have questions, please reach out to support at WIGSTUDIO1. It's a cute little polished, grown out pixie look. It has some beautiful fringe, layers galore. It can be sophisticated, it can be casual. You know me, I'm a casual girl, and all I had to do with a couple of shakes, apply it, just kind of bring out that pieciness. Sometimes when new technology comes out, you really can't tell a difference. I can tell a difference. So the first thing is, this is a part of the Sheer Luxury collection, so it is going to feature that Luxe Light cap. It's hand tied, it's feathery light. It looks super natural on and has some incredible monofilament features as well. Also, this one does have a heat-friendly fiber, but it's not the legacy ordinary heat-friendly fiber by Raquel Welch. This one is called their Feather Light Fiber. So each one of these fibers has a hollow core, and that's going to do a few things for us. Each one of the fibers is lighter in weight compared to the traditional heat-friendly fiber. It has a little bit of a drier texture instead of being sticky, where you're going to have to brush it out constantly. And this one is really easy to manipulate with heat. You can use the heat of your hands or a heat appliance on this one to achieve the look and style that you want. I could not be happier. So we're still getting that full voluptuous look that we know and love from Raquel Welch, but it's a lighter density overall. It's a lighter feeling just because of this hollow core fiber. So yes, this technology definitely makes a difference. The front piece is about 6.5 inches. I love that. That gives me that grown out pixie look. It gives me a little something to work around the face rather than a really short fringe. I can kind of hide sometimes below. This would be a no makeup wig for sure. In the back, about a 5-inch crown, and that boils down into a 2-inch nape. You're going to see some layering all the way through this, all the way down. There's layers absolutely everywhere. And it weighs just under 3 ounces. Gosh, it just feels like a cloud on the head. Super lightweight. And the fact that this is a hand-tied cap also gives it that light feeling as well, because there's absolutely no permatease. So you can just style this one until your heart's content. You can go from polished to something a little choppier and more casual. So this would be a great segue right into the inside look at this cap, this Luxe Light cap. Super lightweight, completely hand-tied, features an extended lace front all the way through the ear tab. It has a little polyurethane right there at the ear tab and the nape, and then that's going to move seamlessly back into that hand-tied monofilament top, hand-tied panels all the way around. There's some integrated wefting in the back to offer some support. I really like that. It hugs the head a little bit better and gives it some support. So there's no permatease on this one anywhere, and you're going to enjoy that natural look of hand-tied panels because you can't see through to wefting anywhere, and you don't have to dodge those wefts, girl. We're going to get an easy breezy look out of this one. So I am over the moon for this new cap design, the new Feather Light Fiber. Yay, Raquel Welch. It really, really makes a difference. Now this color is Shaded Biscuit. This is my favorite blonde from the Raquel Welch Heat Friendly line, SS 1923, RL 1923 SS rather. And so we're going to see a combination of some sandy blondes, some ash blondes, some neutral blondes. It's a beautiful dynamic mix. I have seen some applications of this that are cooler than others, but I do believe that it runs neutral because it does have some sandy warmth to it to cool, depending on the level of and the amount of those ashy highlights. This one does have that medium brown root that we're used to. Just lovely. And the way it appears on this new Feather Light Heat Friendly Fiber, the colors just pop. It's not shiny in any way. It just reflects light, much like human hair. It feels like human hair. I'm super excited about it. Can you tell? Aren't you loving this one already? Let's see if it's glasses friendly. I bet it is. No permatease, very light density. Absolutely glasses friendly. So if you're at the office, you're an everyday glasses wearer, or just the occasional, it's going to fit nicely, neatly, and securely between the ear and the ear tab. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here at TAZ's Wig Closet.